select no database selected, it is saying na. No database, it is saying. Okay, let activate database then. Use what database we had last time? Customer. Use customer. Then write select init cap. Then you give within bracket you write name from table name was tab 1.
Yes, sir.
Tab 1. Let's see. No, still error. Yeah. Okay, let's select. It's not supporting, it means. Init cap is not supporting, students. Just a second. Lower. No problem, no problem. Yes, init cap is not supporting. What it is supposed to do, I am just explaining, please concentrate. Init cap means initial cap. What's supposed to be the output of this? You make in your copy output Bhubaneswar, B supposed to be capital. That is the purpose of init cap, but in present version init cap is not working. Fine, the command, the statement you make in your copy and the output you mention like this. Bhubaneswar, B supposed to be capital. Initial cap, it means init cap means the initial letter of the string will be capital. Written. Fine, na? Select init cap Bhubaneswar from dual. Then output Bhubaneswar. Okay, let me say just what is dual then. Dual is a temporary table given by SQL. Rest of the some of the function is going to work, don't worry. Only init cap is not supporting. So dual is a default table which has 2 columns. Whenever we are typing something like this, whenever we are going to find out the answer something like this, it is saying that you supposed to take a table name. But if you don't want to mention a table name, then you can take the default table, that is dual. So the output is going to store in temporary table and that will be listed in front of you. The next practical you see, then you will be able to understand. Fine. The next function, number B, you make as lower. Just write lower. L-O-W-E-R. The statement you make, the function will lower. The next function we are discussing, the function will convert a given string into lower case. Fine, na? So just in place of init cap, all of you make lower and Bhubaneswar you try to write in capital and see the output is how, and write the output in your copy as well. It means if the string is given capital, then it is going to get converted to small letter. Might be the first letter capital or might be all the letter capital, whatever. If you give in small letter also, lowercase also, you are going to get lower only. That's why I am saying you give it in, yeah, it is going to give you. So it means you came to know na practically it is working na. Lower is working. Yes, it means init cap is the function. There was a function, but nowadays it is not supported by MySQL, we can say. Fine. Can we go for the third function? Okay, please. Write upper. Upper. Write the theory for same way, the way you wrote for lower. As we have written for lower, you just write the way you have written for lower, same way you write the answer for upper. Fine. Practically how you do? You make here, in place of lower, you need to make upper. And you try to make the content in small, so that you can check whether it is converting to capital or not. And the answer will be in capital, students. Just make it in capital. Fine. That because of why we are saying it character function. If you see, if you notice, it is only dealing with the string. It is only dealing with the characters. String, the definition is what? A collection of character is string. A collection of character is string. When I am writing A, it is a character. When I am writing A, B, it becomes a collection of character. So it becomes a string. Fine. So either you say character function, or sometimes you can say also string functions. So how many functions we discussed till yet? Only 3. Init cap is responsible for making the first letter as capital. Lower, the entire will be converted to lower. And upper, the entire will be converted to capital, or you say lower. The next.